Yes.
Okay, so Rashid, your name is Rashid, right?
Yes, sir. Rashid. Yes, sir.
ओके ओके। तो
I'm
गाइस
Rashid.
आज हमारे साथ है रशीद एंड आज हम इनका इंटरव्यू लेने वाले हैं। ये हमारे बहुत बड़े फैन है, ऐसे बोल रहे, बट फैन वगैरह कुछ नहीं होता यार, मैं आपके जैसा ही हूँ, राइट? तो रशीद, आप सबसे पहले बताओ आप कहाँ से हो?
Sir, actually, I am from Nepal, sir.
ओके, आर यू फ्रॉम नेपाल बट करंटली वेर यू फ्रॉम? करंटली कहाँ हो आप?
Sorry. Currently,
करंटली
I am in India, Gwalior, sir. Currently, I am in India, Gwalior. I am pursuing my BTech degree. I am in final year student.
okay, okay, no problem. I will ask some basic questions to you on core Java and advanced Java, okay? That are also
Yes.
beneficial for all students who are seeing this interview. Okay, no problem. So Rashid, first of all, can you tell me something about yourself to our audience?
Yes, sir. Sure. Thank you. Good morning, sir, and thank you for this opportunity. My name is MD Rashid. I am from Nepal, and I have done my formal education from Nepal itself. Currently, I am pursuing BTech Computer Science in ITM University Gwalior with aggregate GPA of 7.53. I am skilled in Java and having good knowledge of Spring Boot and Hibernate. Last summer, I have interned in Elliott company as a front-end intern, and I really enjoyed my experience over there while working on different types of project as a front-end project, and individually I was working on back-end project as well. That's all about me. Thank you, sir.
Okay, that means are you done internship also?
Yeah, this yes.
Okay, in
That was
internship.
not actually offline institute. That was not actually offline internship, but that was like online internship. He has provided some task, and I did that. So it's like simple.
Okay, okay, that means you are work on backend and front end also, right?
No, no. I am working on backend in myself while learning from different platform, YouTube, like from your and another other teacher from Udemy as well. I have purchased the course from Udemy also.
Okay, okay, okay. Good, good, good. Which technology you have used for that?
Sir, I am good in Java. I'm using Java, Spring Boot, and Hibernate.
Okay, 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 okay. I will ask you questions on based on core Java and advanced Java. Okay. Okay,
Okay, sir, sure.
Rashid, my first question to you. Can you tell me the difference in between core Java and advanced Java?
Yes, sir, sure.
Yeah.
Sir,
Tell me.
first of all, sir,
Yes, yes. Tell me, tell me.
sir, whenever we are, first of all, I'm going to define that. Core Java is, first of all, is class-based, high-level object-oriented programming language. And advanced Java is, this Java has provided some modules, some framework, some tool. Based on that, we are making the project, sir. Okay. And in core Java, whenever we are making any project in the core Java, that time we are really top. We have to format the code, we have to format the directory class path, we have to download the jar from the internet, and manually we have to set it up. And in whenever we are working on the advanced project, it means Spring Boot or Hibernate, that time we don't have to do anything manually. The Spring is Boot is there and they are doing everything. Whenever you are working on a core Java project, that time we have to create our, even we have to create the object by using new keyword. And in the advanced, in the Spring Boot, we don't have to create manually. IC container is there, and IC container is making object for us. Just we have to inject and we have to use this services. That's really fantastic.
Okay, okay. Good,
Provide by
Rashid.
them.
Good. Are you very excited to give the answers? I like that.
Exactly, sir.
Okay, Rashid, what's your strength and weakness?
Sir, my strength, actually, sir, my strength is I'm a good motivator. Since I'm residing in the hostel, I have motivated so many students. Whenever they come in college and they are asking what to do, what not to do in my BTech career, that time I have suggested so many students learn this programming language by this way. It will help you to get into the job and very good job. So I have motivated so many students, sir. And my weakness is public speaking. Public speaking make me nervous. So in order to overcome of this, I have joined a small class, and I'm doing improving day by day. I'm sure
Okay.
someday, after someday, I will overcome of it.
Okay, okay. You have any weakness?
Weakness, yes, to believe on random person.
Okay, okay, okay. Okay, Rashid. Okay. All right. Rashid, my next question to you. Can you tell me what is the use of static variable in Java?
Okay, sir, sure. Sir, whenever we are, so actually, especially static has made for memory manage, so saving the memory. We have to management the memory. Static can be used with a static variable, a static method, and a static block, sir. Whenever we are using with a static block, then we can directly call without creating the object. Without we can call so easily we can call it. We don't have to create the object. Since we don't create the object, we don't have to get into the memory. So it's memory saving. And same like also class name dot method, class name dot block. So yeah, it's easy and it's really
Okay.
good.
Can you tell me real-time example when we use static variable, when we use
Yes,
instance
sir,
variable?
exactly. Exactly, sir. Sir, for example, you and me, we both are working on the same company like Wipro. We
Okay.
have defined Wipro as a variable, okay, sir? And your name, my name, and company name is same. Your name, your roll number ID is different. My name, my ID is everything. It will create a separate memory. So, sir, since this this object together, better to create one object and point to them. That's why we're using.
Your voice is breaking a little bit, Rashid. Hello. My voice is audible.
Yes, yes, now you are audible.
Okay, okay. That means instance variable and static variable both have different purposes, right? When we make a variable static, for
Yes,
example,
yes.
that is common for all object, right? That time we have to make a variable as a static, and instance is different for object to object. Okay, okay, good, Rashid.
It's an object level.
Rashid, what is final, finally, and finalize?
Okay, sir.
Yeah.
Well, final is for the variable class and so whenever you are using with a variable, it want to be changed. Whenever you have to, whenever we are using with a method, so then it cannot be override. And finally is a block. Sir, your connection is unstable. Sir, am I audible to you?
Yes, yes, yes. You are audible. You can continue. Yes, continue.
And and final, sir, finally is a block. It's come along try and catch.
Okay. I think your network connection is low,
Used
Mr.
for garbage collector,
Rashid.
sir.
Your voice is breaking. I think your internet connection is low, slow.
My internet connection, sir, please, sir, 1 minute,
Yes.
1 minute. बाहर मोबाइल बाहर
Yes. Now clear.
sir,
Okay.
now it's okay.
Yeah.
Okay, sir.
Okay. So can you tell me, repeat,
Shall I?
what is final, finally, and finalize?
Yes, sir. Yes,
Yeah.
yes, sir. Sir, final is keyboard. Finally is a block, and finalize is also like a block. So
Method.
whenever we are method. Whenever we are using final can be used with variable, method, and class. Whenever you are using with the variable, then variable cannot change. Whenever we are using final with the class cannot be extend. Whenever you are using final with the method, then method cannot be override. And finally it's come along with the try and catch block, sir. Whenever we want any code to be executed, whether the exception is occur or not, then it will get executed. We have to keep inside. And finalize it's come along with the object. We are using it because of a garbage collector, sir.
Okay, what is garbage collection?
Garbage, once we are creating the objects and use it, then it's became a garbage, sir. No use.
Okay, its process is automatic, or we need to call to the garbage collector?
No, it's automatically processed behind the scene. I think it's working.
Okay. Can we force to the JVM to automate, or we can say garbage our object? Can we enforce?
I think it's come along with whenever we have to talk about this, then we have to consider a string constant pool. Whenever nothing is pointing to the string constant pool, that time JVM is pointing towards this object.
Yes. This concept is different, but Rashid, I am talking about. We know that, right? The JVM is automatically garbage the object which is unreferenced, right? But can we force to the JVM to
yes,
garbage that object? Yes, we can force. We can force by using system.gc method. We can force to the JVM to garbage that object. Okay, but it's totally depend on JVM. Okay, no problem, Rashid. Move forward to the some questions like connection framework. What is the difference between array list and linked list?
Sir, array list and linked list both are the implementation class of the list interface.
Okay.
And array list array list is using like array, and linked list is using doubly linked list in background. And array list is is growable in size, but linked list can also be growable, but insertion and deletion in array list will be top, and in linked list it will be easy. That's all.
Okay, Rashid. How to add the element in array list? Which method we need to use?
Add method.
Okay, and for delete?
Pop or delete. Pop, I think. Add delete pop, I think. No, pop is stack queue. Delete delete. No, sorry, sir.
Okay, no problem. How to iterate array list? How to iterate array list?
By using iterator. By using iterator.
What is iterator?
Iterator is also the interface. It is like a parent of collection.
Okay, it is also interface. Any other method we can use to iterate array list?
For each loop.
For each loop, okay. And what about array? If I want to iterate the array, normal array, then which method we need to use?
Again, for each loop. Actually,
for each
has defined to iterate with our array.
Okay. Rashid, can we sort the array?
Yes, sir. There is one inbuilt method, array.sort.
Array.sort. Okay, no problem.
And I have many bubble sort, selection sort, insertion sort, quick sort, merge sort.
Okay, that means practical knowledge you have also. Right? Yes, we will take another interview on practical also with you. Okay, but some another questions I want to ask you. Rashid, you know also advanced Java, so some advanced Java questions. What is the difference between Spring Boot and Spring MVC?
Spring Boot and Spring MVC. Sir, Spring Boot is a Spring module that has aimed to design a rapid application development. It is all about the developing the web applications, sir. And Spring MVC is also a Spring framework, but it has designed to work on a Spring MVC pattern.
Okay, that means which pattern? MVC means?
A model view control pattern, sir.
Model view control.
That is the things it's make a Spring Boot more loosely coupled.
Closely coupled. Okay, okay. What is exactly model?
Model, sir. There is
Hmm.
a simple class, sir. Simple class is like Pozo class. We have whatever we have to. This is like simple class, sir.
Okay, okay, okay.
Data,
No problem.
data.
Difference between REST controller and controller annotation.
Yes, sir. REST, whenever we are making the REST API, then we mostly prefer to write REST controller. And whenever we are writing REST controller, then we don't have to define response body in the
Yes.
method signature. Whenever we are writing controller, then we have to define manually over there as the controller.
Okay, okay. And what is exactly REST API? Have you created REST
Yes,
API?
so many, sir.
Okay, so what is exactly REST API?
So REST API is handling the response sent by the client.
Okay, handling the response, but how it can possible?
We are writing the method inside it, sir.
Okay, so whenever client send the request,
Request.
then it will get response. Okay, so this is the
We are
definition
writing,
of REST API.
sir, application programming interface. This is used
This is the
for
API, but what is exactly REST? What is exactly REST?
so REST API for operations.
Your voice is breaking. My question is that which format is used to send the request and also get the response by the client in which format? That's the JSON format or XML.
So we were
JSON or XML format,
okay, sir. Yes.
right? So REST is a
Yes,
protocol,
sir.
brother. REST is a protocol. Okay, REST is a protocol. Inside that we have two formats, right? Like JSON format and XML format. Okay, we have also SOAP, but it's too old. But now use the format like JSON and XML. Okay, whenever client send the request, it is also in form of JSON, and whenever clients gets the response, it is also in form of JSON. Okay, so that is REST. And API is
Yes, sir. I
what?
have tested how many? Sir, I have tested. Okay.
Okay, API
Protocol,
is the application
as you said.
programming interface, means that communication between two softwares or two projects, or we can say two application. Okay, okay. You know about Postman?
Yes, sir. I have been
Why to
using a
use
lot
Postman? Why
every
to
time
use Postman?
to test the API.
To test the API. Okay, okay, okay. What are the different types of HTTP methods?
HTTP method, sir.
Yeah.
Post, get, put, delete. Even there is head, but I have not used this.
Okay,
I'm using only
okay.
four as a beginner.
Which is secure HTTP method? Get or post?
Post,
Why?
post, sir.
Why?
Because whenever then it will not show in the URL.
Okay, okay, okay. Okay, Rashid, you are good knowledge you have. Okay, you are fresher, right?
Yes, sir. I am fresher, sir.
Okay, you have completed BTech.
Still one month is of, sir. After 1 month, I will be graduate, and sir, Monday is my interview from Nepal as a Java
Oh,
developer.
okay, that means you are not graduated after
Not,
one
I'm not
month.
graduated yet. I am final year student. After 1 month, I will be graduate. But yes, sir. And I got an interview call from Nepal. I will attend on
Oh,
Monday.
oh, it's good. And you have good knowledge at this age. You are not graduated yet, and you have good knowledge about core Java, advanced Java. This is good for you and good for your career also, because many students have graduated students, post-graduate student, but they don't know what is core Java, what is advanced Java concepts. But I like your knowledge. At this age, you have good. Okay, you know such things which are used in. Real-time application like Spring Boot, Spring MSC. Okay, okay, no problem, Rashid. You are good. But I want to ask some questions also. What is Hibernate, Rashid?
Yes, sir. Hibernate is ORM framework, ORM tool that is used to map the Java object to the relational database object, and vice versa.
Okay. Difference, you know about JDBC and Hibernate. What is the difference in between that?
In JDBC, sir, we have manually defining all the database connectivity code, and in the Hibernate, whenever we are using a Hibernate in our big application like a Spring Boot application, that time even we don't have to use a Hibernate, we are using a Spring Data JPA and a Spring Data JPA. Yes, and Hibernate is implementation of a Spring Data JPA. Whenever once we extend the JPA repository and this, so it will get by ID and save all, find all, delete, say all the everything, but we have to use it.
Okay. Good, Rashid. You are good at core Java, advanced Java. You know SQL also, right?
Yes, sir, sure.
Yes. In
Sir,
SQL, yeah. Tell me.
okay, sir.
Okay.
Sir, as a Java developer, sir, one thing, as a Java developer, we are not really manually working on Java. We are Hibernate and Spring Data JPA is doing everything behind the scenes, so we don't have manually work on this. Just we have to create the database and provide the database name to the application properties. That's it. That's it. We are
Okay.
doing everything.
Okay. Some questions on SQL I want to ask. What is exactly the command that is truncate command? What is the use of truncate?
Truncate is used for delete the row.
All rows or one row?
No, all rows, no, sir. Only one this rows.
Only one row. Are you sure?
Delete the rows. Yes, I think I'm sure, sir.
No.
Rows.
One for the delete one row, we have delete command also, right? But truncate is used to delete all rows from the tables. Okay. That means all data is deleted by the truncate command.
Okay, sir.
Okay, no problem. You know about joins. What is inner join?
Yes, sir. In a joint, if we are if there is two tables, it is taking from the common part from both of the table.
Okay, both table common part. Okay. Rashid, you are good. Okay. So we are stopping here. Okay. We will meet in another interview. Guys who are see this interview, Rashid is very excited to give the answers and मैं भी चाहता हूँ आप भी ऐसे एक्साइटेड होके आंसर दो, ठीक है? तो आपको भी यहाँ पे इंटरव्यू देना है, हमारे यूट्यूब चैनल पे आना है. यू कैन ऑल्सो टेक्स्ट मी, मैसेज कर सकते हो आप मुझे व्हाट्सएप पे. आप भी आ सकते हो, इंटरव्यू दे सकते हो. और रशीद आप बहुत एक्साइटेड लग रहे हो, क्या इसके पीछे का राज क्या है?
Sir, shall I speak in Hindi or Nepali? Sir, to be honest, sir, I have been working on Java Spring Boot since 6 months, and for the core Java 1 year or 2 years. But I till now I haven't got any interview call and anything. So I'm really looking forward to get an opportunity to give the interview, even mock interview. So finally, I think in my whole BTech career, today is my first day that I am giving the mock interview to the any teacher. So I really appreciate you, sir. Thank you very much for conducting the interview for me.
ओके रशीश, थैंक यू वेरी मच. हमें भी अच्छा लगा आपके साथ इंटरव्यू आपका लेके, ठीक है? आपने आंसर्स भी अच्छे से दिए और आपको जरूर इंटरव्यू मिलेगा. ओके, जरूर इंटरव्यू मिलेगा, इंटरव्यू के कॉल मिलेंगे बिकॉज आपको नॉलेज भी है. आपको स्प्रिंग सिक्योरिटी पता है क्या?
Yes, sir. I know Spring Security.
स्प्रिंग सिक्योरिटी. ओके, नो प्रॉब्लम गाइज. बट अभी हम रुक रहे हैं, ठीक है? वी विल मीट अनदर इंटरव्यू. ओके, आल्सो with Spring Security, some practicals also. Okay, I will ask some logical questions to you also. Okay, so Rashid,
So, sir, I'm ready to
thanks.
write. Yes, sir. I'm ready to write the code.
Okay, so Rashid, thanks for joining. Okay, we'll stop here. We will meet in another interview. Okay, thank you Rashid for joining.
Thank you.